Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Fairfax, Virginia. We're at 11110 Lee Highway. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the link below to follow us on all of our YouTube and social media outlets. I want to talk to you guys today about all the repairs and services that we offer here in our store. So just so you guys know, our vacuum stores, both locations, we do vacuum repairs, shampooer repairs. We tackle iRobots, Shark, Dyson, all the major brand of vacuums and shampooers, and even some air purifiers. We do those as well. So if you guys have a vacuum that's not working, a shampooer or a buffer, a polisher, basically anything in your home that's an appliance outside of your normal, refrigerator and stuff, we can pretty much look at here. It's a free estimate. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You bring it into our store. There's no appointment necessary. You bring your equipment in. We'll give you a call ticket. The tickets are pretty just standard. You basically get a claim check. You need that claim check to pick your vacuum back up. We've had some instances in the past where people don't have their claim check tickets, so please make sure you keep a hold of that. We'll get your claim check ticket filled out, and then we'll get you an estimate. It's usually within 1 to 3 business days. We'll get you an estimate, wait for the approval. Once we get your approval, we'll get the parts ordered, get the work done, and get the vacuum back to you. Our prices are pretty competitively priced. We pretty much beat a lot of different people, a lot of other competitors out there that's in this area. All of our work is backed by a 30-day guarantee. Your parts that we order, depending on which make and model it is, that's all warrantied out through the manufacturer. So everything that we do here is all, it's all good. We do a lot of different variety of different things. So if you have any issues, if your vacuum doesn't have suction, if it's running hot, if it's not turning on, if the cord is chewed up, if your shampooer won't dispense the water, pick the water back up, any of these issues at all, and you don't want to try to maybe get a new one, and you want to try to get it fixed, let us know. Give us a call. Our phone number is 703-997-9292, extension 1 for Fairfax, extension 2 for Leesburg. Let us give you a free estimate. There's no sense of going out spending hundreds of dollars buying a new piece of equipment when the one that you have might just work. It just needs a little TLC, and that's what we'll do for you here at AceVacuums, is get you running good, save you some money, and give you a 30-day guarantee on all the work that we do to make sure you feel safe and secure. If you have any questions, like us on all of our social media outlets. Like I said again, stop by anytime. We're open Monday through Sunday. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, and Sunday 11 to 5. So you can stop by any of those hours, bring your stuff in, and we'll be able to happy to help you guys out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit us up on Facebook, like us on Instagram, or give us a call here. Check our website out for all more details, okay? Thank you guys. Y'all have a great weekend, and we hope to see you guys out, okay? Have a good one.